Hi everyone. Today we're going to walk you through connecting ActiveCampaign with HubSpot. If you're new to ActiveCampaign, be sure to check the link in the description for a free trial or log in if you're already a user. Let's get started. First, head to the app section and search for the Zapier app, as we'll use Zapier to connect ActiveCampaign with HubSpot. Click on Set this app, and if you don't already have a Zapier account, create one now. Once you're logged in, you'll see the Zapier dashboard. Next, click on Create and then select Zaps. You can also get help from the Copilot if needed. Choose both of your apps and on the right-hand side, fill in all the required information. You'll need to select an event and then add your account. For this, you'll need your API URL and API key. Go back to your ActiveCampaign account, click on Settings, then Developer, and copy the necessary details. Paste these details into the required fields and then add your HubSpot account. Click Continue and configure your settings. Once everything is set up, click Publish and you're all done. And if you're looking to quickly grow your email list while also earning high-ticket commissions, I've got a free training program for you, linked in the description below. It's completely free and super easy to get started, so be sure to check it out if you want to build your list more effectively. Thank you for checking out our video and for your ongoing support. It's greatly appreciated.